Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explain. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to turn off notification in Monopoly Go. So let's get started. Begin by launching your settings. Scroll down until you find notification option. Tap on it. Now select app notifications option. In the search bar, type in Monopoly Go and perform a search. Now just tap on the switch button. And this is how you can turn off notification on Monopoly Go. Thanks for watching Gaming Explain. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.